Hello friends, in this video I will show how to rebuild mail address autocomplete in Outlook. So simple and easy way, just open File Explorer. Now here search this address. I will give in description. So just paste here and press enter. Now here guys you will see this autocomplete any file name. So right click on it and delete. But make sure you need to find out this file stream autocomplete. So right click and delete. Now exit and restart your system. So this way guys you can rebuild mail address autocomplete in Outlook. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.